ANYA Taylor-Joy has just enough material to spare her blushes as she dazzles in a revealing gold dress. The Queen's Gambit actress wore the shimmering frock to the premiere of horror film last night in Soho. ANYA, 25, shot the movie in London in 2019 alongside former Doctor Who star Matt Smith, 38. Her red carpet pose in Los Angeles certainly gave the screening a little extra exposure. Recently she told Tetler that she struggled with back-to-back filming after being booked for 3 roles in a row. The actress confessed that she survived on Diet Coke, coffee and cigarettes. ANYA said, "By the end of it, I was like, I need to eat a vegetable."